EFT is a powerful tool that you can use to help regulate and calm heavy emotions. It's one of my all-time favorite go-tos. So, over the last few days, as people have been reaching out and sharing how they're feeling a lot of angst and worry and anxiety, I decided that I wanted to do a brief video with you to help you remove the feeling of worry and replace it with a feeling of faith and trust. So, let's dive in. EFT is powerful because it uses different points on your body known as meridian points that help you to release the stale and toxic energy around the feeling of worry and replace it with faith and help you to feel more calm and regulated. So, what I'm going to ask you to do is I'm going to ask you to identify a specific worry that you have and rate yourself on a scale of 1 to 10, considering that worry, with 10 being like the worst it's felt and 1 being like, oh no, I feel pretty regulated. So then we're going to start with the setup point. So you're going to hold your fist in one hand and you're going to take 2 fingers in the other hand and you're going to tap and repeat after me. Even though I feel this worry, I deeply and completely love and accept myself. Good job. Now, you can get more specific. You can say, even though I feel worried about, I deeply and completely love and accept myself. Or you can just leave it as a general place for if you have more of that generalized worry. So we'll start it again. Even though I'm feeling worried, I deeply and completely love and accept myself. Repeat after me. Even though worry feels like it's taking over, I choose to focus on what I can control and be kind to myself. Even though I feel really worried, I choose to accept myself and prioritize my peace. Now you're going to repeat after me as we go through each meridian point. This worry that I feel, I'm so worried. I feel it weighing on me. It's hard to release and let go of this worry. I wish I could just feel calm. I wish I could relax. I don't want to feel this worry. I feel this worry happening so strong, and I'm carrying a lot of worry. The worry that I feel is overwhelming. I feel it in my body, and my mind isn't feeling calm. I want to release this worry. I wish I didn't feel this worry. The worry is becoming overwhelming and exhausting. I am ready to release this worry. I am ready to release this worry. Now, I'm going to ask you to pause for a moment and check back in with yourself on that same scale and ask yourself, where are you at on a scale of 1 to 10? For most of you, you should already be noticing some of that worry dissipating, and you should notice that number going down. Our goal is to get as close to a 1 or a 2 as possible, but if you're still noticing you're on one of the higher numbers, then we're going to keep tapping. It's hard to stop thinking about this worry. It feels like my thoughts are focused on it, and I feel so worried and anxious. I can feel it weighing on me. And this worry is exhausting me. It's hard to release this worry, but I'm ready to release this worry. I am ready to stop thinking about it. Good job. Now I'm going to ask you to check in with yourself again. And if you are noticing the number going down, we're going to move forward and start tapping in the positive statements to replace it. If you are noticing that you're still feeling that tense anxiety around the worry, that tight feeling and hard to release the worry, then I'm going to ask you to continue to touch base with your body and ask yourself, okay, what is it that I'm feeling and where is it that I'm feeling the block? And you can tap on that exact emotion using those different meridian points. And then now the rest of us will move forward to the positive statements and affirmations. Now we're going to move forward with the positive suggestions and start using the exact same meridian points to tap them in. So we'll start right here at the top of the head, and you will repeat after me. What if I could release this worry? How light I would feel. How calm I would feel. I am so excited to release this worry. It's okay that I don't have everything figured out now. It's okay that I don't know the answers. I give myself permission to prioritize peace, and I allow myself to feel more peace a little at a time. I am allowed to embrace calm. I'm excited to embrace calm. My body is at ease. I feel at peace. It's okay to release the worry and to be able to replace it with trust. All things are working out, and I can have faith that they are. Good job. How are you feeling in regards to your worry? We'll touch base on that same scale of 1 to 10, and we'll tap in one more round of positive affirmations to really embed it and to really be able to feel that calm. It's okay to feel calm even if things are uncertain. I choose to let go of this worry. I am willing to release the worry that I'm feeling. I trust that I can handle whatever happens, and I am ready to feel at peace. I am ready to feel calm. I am ready to feel lighter. I trust that this worry will be released. And I trust that everything is working out as I release the worry. So now I want you to think about where you started in regards to this worry and where you are now, and notice the drastic difference. I mean, even me, as I'm teaching this and doing it right along with you, I feel so much lighter and just ready to take on my day. And I trust that you feel the exact same way. I invite you to use EFT for heavy emotions that you're feeling, because the cool thing is you can access it literally wherever you are. You could be in your office, you could be at home, you could be in your car, obviously not driving, but you can use it wherever you are. And it's a great strategy that you can leverage and use to be able to release heavy feelings and to replace them with the feelings that help you to feel more regulated and ready to take on your day. So I trust that this was impactful for you, and I invite you to have an amazing day worry-free.